I installed Evolution X 4.3 ROM and LawRun kernel version 11 beta 4 to Poco phone. So I'm getting good experience with this combo. So I'm going to show you. It's like very smoothness about phone. Here you can find Android 10 based ROM. So let's see how to install. First you need to download those two files. I'm given in description. So download the ROM and move to your phone storage and kernel also. You need to download those two files and move to your storage. Then now you turn off your device. We need to go into TWRP recovery. So by pressing power button and volume increase button at the same time for few seconds. Now as usual, go to wipe, advanced wipe. Here you need to flash first for Dalvik cache system data, because every time you are flashing ROM, you must flash these four. Just flash, then go back, install, choose you already download the files. First select the ROM file, Evolution X 4.3, just flash, wait till complete the process. Some improvements are improved in this ROM, so we are getting smooth experience from this ROM. This kernel is latest one. So I'm going to review about how to for gaming and smoothness and user experience. So if your phone are encrypted, you need to flash disable force encryption. If not, no need. So I already decrypted my phone, so I don't need to flash any DFE files. So I'm directly flash the ROM. Yeah, finished. Then choose the kernel file, the latest version, swipe to confirm, flash. Yes, we successfully flashed those two files. Then do wipe. Finally reboot your system. Now it's boot into Evolution X ROM. So keep wait. This LawRun kernel version 11 beta 4 gives better experience than before update. So we get smoother experience. It's formally aimed to gaming. Yes, now do installation process. Click to start. Then choose preferred SIM data and SMS and calls. Skip the Wi-Fi and next. Agreed, accept. Create pattern or PIN or password if you want. So this is Novatech touch experience from LawRun kernel. It's very smooth. That's all. Yes, we finally installed successfully Evolution X 4.3 ROM and LawRun kernel version 11 beta 4. Those two are latest build one. So now I'm going to show you what version we installed for this device. So here you can see evolution X based on Android 10 version. So you can see evolution 4.3 and security patch. So kernel version, you are able to see the kernel version LawRun 12 V4. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.